and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will concentrate on German chicken dishes. And no, if you are looking for low-calorie German dishes, you should watch the video from the previous week, because those dishes that I'm going to show you, although are the chicken ones, are not low in calories. So first, I would love to mention the most popular German chicken dish, and this is called Brathähnchen in Germany and Brathendl in Bavaria and Austria. While in Austria, the chicken or pieces of chicken are usually breaded and then deep fried or baked. In Germany, we marinate the chicken and then we either roast the chicken or grill it on the horizontal grill. Chicken prepared that way in Germany is very popular street food or food that we would buy and then eat at home. I got mine at the food market in Sachsenhausen along with a portion of fries and also a portion of cabbage salad. And I also wanted to mention that the spices that we would use to season the chicken are for sure salt and pepper, paprika powder, and sometimes even garlic or chili powder. In Germany, you can also find a roast chicken seasoning that contains salt, paprika, rosemary, thyme, sugar, and sage. Brathendl is also one of the most popular dishes at Oktoberfest. Extremely crispy from outside, as you can hopefully see on this video, and very soft and juicy from inside. We also like serving roasted pieces of chicken, like chicken leg or chicken drumsticks. And in the summer, we also like grilling them on the grill as well. Another dish that I would love to mention is kind of forgotten, and it's called Hähnchen mit Früchte-Curry. So chicken in curry cream sauce with fruits from a can. So once upon a time, there was a dish that probably wanted to imitate another Indian dish and got so popular that it was served in many German restaurants. The dish contained pieces of chicken or turkey that are pan-fried. At the beginning, we fry them very short to make sure that they are still soft after we simmer them in a sauce for a few minutes. To prepare the sauce, you're going to use the same fat and you're going to sprinkle the curry powder right into the pan and mix it with the fat. Then add the juice from the fruits from the can and bring it to boil. Then it's a good time to thicken the sauce, so the sauce is nice and thick before we add the cream. Then there is a time to add the cream, mix fruits from the can like pineapple, peaches and candied cherries, warm the whole thing up, add chicken and all its juices and simmer the whole thing for a few minutes. And at this point, your chicken curry from Germany is ready. Traditionally in the German restaurants, the dish was served with white rice. Oh my goodness, that was a treat. Who thought that curry can go so well with chicken, fruits and cream? And now is the time to mention the one and only German chicken soup. I would say that German chicken soup belongs definitely to our comfort food. It contains soup vegetables like celery root, carrots, leek, parsley, root and onion, and also Suppenhuhn, so chickens that contain more fat for nice and rich broth. For my chicken soup, I use usually chicken breast that I first cut and then shred, and then serve it with a soup noodles and a bit of parsley on the top. From the rest of chicken, I make Hühnerfrikassee, which is chicken with a white sauce. The base of the sauce is roux that is made from butter, flour, and chicken broth. Then you can season your sauce with salt, pepper, and also you can add a little bit of cream. And at this point, your sauce is ready. Then you can add the chicken, warm it up a bit, and served with a cooked rice and parsley or chives on the top. I don't know if you remember, but last week I have also showed you this amazing German chicken salad that consisted of many different ingredients like lettuce, cucumber salad, pickled vegetables, fresh vegetables and sunflower seeds. If you are interested how to make it, I'm gonna put the link to the previous video in the description box down below and in the top right corner. It's not only delicious, but also low calorie. Nowadays, many restaurants started offering Schnitzel made of chicken breast. It is the perfect option for those who don't eat pork or those who want to save few calories. I think that the best way to prepare chicken schnitzel is to take chicken breast and slice it horizontally. So each slice is 1 centimeter or 0.4 inches thick. Then you can put some seasoning on meat. I am using salt and pepper, exactly how I would do with a pork schnitzel. And then I would prepare 3 separate plates, one with flour, one with egg, and one with breadcrumbs. And then you're going to bread them, first in flour, then in egg, and then in breadcrumbs. I would recommend that the layer of fat is at least 1 centimeter or 0.4 inches thick. For frying, you can use either clarified butter or vegetable oil. As soon as the oil is hot, you can turn the temperature to medium and fry the schnitzel for around 5 to 8 minutes, depending on the thickness of the slice. And make sure that you've got enough oil so the schnitzel are swimming in it. I hope that you know what I mean. Anyway, as soon as the schnitzels are pretty and golden, they are ready to be served. There are a few ways to do it. The most basic one would be for sure with fries. But you can also use the same sides, like for example for pork schnitzel. There are various sauces that you can make, and you can also serve it with a pan-fried potatoes or, for example, Spätzle. Also, fried onions would do. If you are interested what kind of sauces we serve with a German schnitzel, I have prepared a video where I talk exactly about it. And as far as I remember, I also have recipes how to make those on my blog. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you did enjoy it. Please let me know in the comments down below what is your favorite chicken dish. So I am also looking from time to time for some inspiration. Next week I will be answering all of your questions regarding German bratwurst, so please stay tuned for that. I wish you all a happy week, stay safe and healthy, and I see you on my next one. Bye!